Okay, cupcakes, listen up.
Forgive us. This is the only way.
So what's next, mustache man?
It's Sergeant now. Ukan.
Oh, really? And how are we gonna do that?
I think I know a guy.
Hey! Over here!
Don't you worry. Been working on my recruiting pitch.
All right, you're with us now. What else aren't you telling me?
We're in for a fun ride, you and me.
Engaging now.
Here, catch this! Ah! Police! Your history.
How is that even possible? That's insane.
Bring it, shitheads.
I missed you too, asshole.